Anker NEBULA Capsule 2 Projector Review, Pros and Cons. Pros. It has Android TV 9.0 OS, which is good for the full entertainment. Impressive audio quality from the 8W built-in speaker. Autofocus and Keystone-correction work expectedly. A portable projector. Good brightness considering its capacity and price. Full-size HDMI port. USB-C charging capability makes it more portable. It is a good device for travelers. Super crisp and clear picture. It works with gaming consoles such as Nintendo Switch, PS4 very well. Google Assistant / Google Assistant for the added control flexibility. Cons. The price is a little higher than expected. No 3D support. It is easy to fall from a table, so please be careful to it. No lens cover. That's it, please like and subscribe.